Crispy on the outside, soft inside. Today I'm making this plant-based Ukrainian potato zrazy. Let's begin by preparing the stuffing. Finely chop one medium onion and about 300 grams of mushrooms. From spices, I'll just use salt and pepper. Heat a pan and sauté the onions until golden. Add the mushrooms and cook until their moisture has fully evaporated. Season with salt and black pepper to taste, then remove from the heat. Stir in fresh or frozen chopped dill and set aside to cool. While that's resting, let's prepare the potatoes. Peel them and chop into chunks, then boil in salted water until soft. If you have a bay leaf, add one for extra flavor. Drain the potatoes, let them cool slightly, and mash until smooth. Add 3 tablespoons of flour along with salt and pepper to taste. The mixture should be soft but firm enough to hold its shape. To assemble zrazy with wet hands, take a small portion of the potato mixture into your palm and gently flatten it. Add a spoonful of mushroom filling, then carefully seal and shape it into a patty. Roll in breadcrumbs and ready. Fry in a preheated oiled pan for a few minutes until golden and slightly crisp on both sides. Serve warm with plant-based sour cream or sauce of your choice. Enjoy!